So Jordan, kayaking plan. What do you reckon about it? Is it good? Do you like coming out on a boat? I do until all these races get in the way, but Bear River. You see how fast they go? Might have a go with this one day. In these? No. Yeah. Loads of waves to surf on now. Yeah. Nothing like messing about in the river. Sunday. Morning. Nothing yet. We keep trying though. Yeah. We've had quite a few in the summer. I think it's just the time of year. I think they're all hiding from us.
Yeah, 5 years ago, it's
Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. Ah, it's the races. Fast, aren't they? Don't you let go. It's good, isn't it? Make it look easy. There's the waves. Go and see in these, you know.
Oh.
Take all the bungs out.
No.
Got it?
Yeah. After this, head down the street.
If you want, go on, kick off. Maybe we'll do a few sea fishing videos then. Well, I know. Oh, is it wild? A Jordan fish?
Yeah.
Hold on. You need to give me a paddle. Go on. Pull me in. Go. So is yours. Are you cold?
No, you can't go down.
Wait a minute. Right, go on. Catch it in a bit again.